Direct speech means quoting someone's exact words just as they were spoken. It uses quotation marks to show the exact message. For example, if someone says, "I am happy," direct speech repeats these exact words inside quotation marks. Direct speech is when you write down exactly what a speaker says using quotation marks. These marks help readers know that these are the speaker's exact words. Usually, direct speech starts with a capital letter inside the quotes. Here is a simple example of direct speech. She said, "I love ice cream." The exact words spoken by the person are inside quotation marks. This helps us understand exactly what was said. When writing direct speech, punctuation is very important. The comma, full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark should be placed inside the closing quotation marks. For example, you write, "I'm tired," he said with a comma inside the quotes. If the sentence continues after the spoken words, place a comma inside the quotation marks before continuing. For example, "Yes, please," she replied. This comma shows the sentence is not finished. Always remember to put punctuation marks like commas, periods, question marks, or exclamation points inside the quotation marks, even if the sentence goes on after the quote. This helps keep the writing clear and correct. When there is a new speaker in direct speech, start a new line or paragraph. This rule makes it easier to read and understand who is speaking. For example, one person says, "Pass the salt," and the other replies, "Thank you." They should each be on their own line. One key punctuation rule in dialogue is that all punctuation goes inside the quotation marks. This means question marks, exclamation marks, commas, and periods must stay inside the quotes to show they belong to the spoken words.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.